8th July 2020, Wednesday. Good morning, you are listening Asra Fayaz, your news anchor from Lavapara Media. Here we bring you latest news updates from around the world. News updates or headlines are: even as coronavirus cases cross 7 lakh mark, experts urge more aggressive testing. India recorded another grim milestone on Tuesday as per total number of coronavirus cases crossed the 7 lakh mark after 1 crore samples were tested for COVID-19. Moreover, the death toll to reach the 20,000 varies on the same day, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare said. In a significant development, the ICMR said that cumulative total of 1 crore 20 lakh 11,092 samples were tested up to July 6th, with 2 lakh 41,430 samples being tested on Monday. This means that over 10 million samples were tested so far across 1,100 testing centers in India. However, experts, as per media reports, were still unhappy with the numbers, suggesting that these ICMR approved labs could perform at least 3.5 lakh tests in a single day. India's coronavirus infection increased to 7,19,665, while the death toll climbed to 20,160, with 467% succumbing to the disease in last 24 hours. Moving to the next news. Where will black money hide now? Modi has shrunk illicit money split. Real estate transparency jumps. Prime Minister Narendra Modi government's reforms have shrunk one of the biggest bets of black money in India. The real estate sector has become more transparent, climbing up 5 places in a global ranking in last 6 years. With the amendment in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA), transparency in India's real estate sector has significantly improved. In the last 4 years, transparency in the real estate sector has improved at the second highest pace in the world after UAE. With the enhanced transparency and trust in real estate investment, enhanced market data and sustainability initiatives, India have jumped to the 34th position in the JLL and last year's Global Real Estate Transparency Index 2020. Moving to some internationally. After India, US also looking at banning social Chinese media apps. Day after India has banned 59 Chinese apps over national security concerns, Secretary of State Mike Pompeo on Monday said that United States was looking at banning Chinese-based social media apps, including popular short-form video sharing application TikTok. I don't want to get out in front of President Donald Trump, but it's something we were looking at, Pompeo said in an interview. According to the report, several US lawmakers have raised concerns over TikTok handling of user data. They expressed their worries, saying that Chinese law required country-based firms to support and cooperate with intelligence with control by the Chinese Communist Party. Pompeo's remarks have come day after he backed New Delhi decision to ban TikTok and certain other Chinese apps, saying the move to boost India's sovereignty. Moving to the next news. US says foreign student whose classes moved online cannot stay in as students to the second worst affected. The United States said Monday it would not allow foreign students to remain in the country if all of their classes are moved online in the fall because of coronavirus crisis. Non-immigrant F1 and M1 students attending schools operating entirely online may not take a full online course load and remain in the United States, U.S. Immigrant and Customer Inflows said in a statement. Active students currently in the United States enrolled in a such program must depart the country or take other measurements such as transferring to the school with in-person instruction to remain in law state. If not, they may face immigration consequences, including but not limited to the initiative or remove proceedings. Today's latest news updates are till it. I, Asraf Raz, will come with latest news updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.